Here today to talk to you about this toiletry bag. So this is another great item for my travel gear, and I just kind of want to show you some of the highlights of this. So on this side, which is really nice, and one of the reasons I purchased it is because now on this side I can put my jewelry. So you have ways to snap on. These are all snaps, and you have a pad. This one's a padded one. So you can put your jewelry right in here with slots to add different things in here. It's a great way to organize your jewelry. I always have a hard time when I'm traveling to what am I going to put the jewelry in. So then in the main compartment, you'll see that you have your plastic lined bags. And of course, it goes like this because now you have a hook that you're going to hook up onto the door of the bathroom. And so now you have a plastic thing, and you can see all your things in there, as well as there are straps in here to keep everything organized. I've had other ones where you just kind of have to throw everything in there and hope it doesn't leak and hope it's there when you get there. And so you have two nice compartments with that, as well as down here you have another compartment that you can put some smaller items in, maybe Q-tips, things like that, it doesn't need to be standing straight up. And then the nice thing about this one is once you get this all together, it is expanding on the bottom. Now, some of the other ones I have seen, they don't allocate for bottles and things, and then once you get a couple things in there, close it because this stuff doesn't expand at all. And this one has a wider base, so now I could fill this up with quite a few items, and it's going to be able to close up as well. So this is a real nice toiletry bag to take on your next vacation. And that is just my honest opinion.